Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to create a peaceful scenery drawing. Imagine yourself in a screen place as we bring this vision of life. First, grab your pencil and paper. Let's start with the basics. A horizon line across the middle. This will spread the sky from the land. Draw it lightly as we might adjust it later. Above the horizon, let's sketch in the sky. Picture soft clouds drifting by. Draw a few species. Fluffy clouds, you can vary their size and shape. Imagine them floating gently. Now let's add a sun or a moon just above the horizon you like. If it is a sun, make it is a bit larger and brighter. For a moon, add a few stars around it. Below the horizon, let's add some rolling hills or a lake. If you are drawing hills, start with gentle curves. If it is a lake, make the line smoother. Thanks for watching this video.